Hey, this is my take, and I'm John Kavakis, and today we're going to take a look at Stamp's 1963 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz. Now, we're all familiar with the '59 Cadillac, the huge fins, the gigantic windshield, the incredibly long car, so emblematic of the '50s, it became an icon. But starting in '60 and '61, began a new era of car design. They were more refined, they were understated, they were luxurious, cleaner designs, and leading the way through all of that was Cadillac. Now, by 1963, Cadillac had become a long, low, wide highway cruiser, a very modern expression of the '60s, which were kind of pioneered by a new, young, elegant family in the White House. It was an era of sophistication. That was the order of the day. A new level of luxury was the order of the day. And Cadillac was right there in the sweet spot, in the middle of all that. Good looking, strong, fast, elegant, powerful, and casually highbrow. You could take it anywhere, but you could arrive at the same time. Now, designer Bill Mitchell was steering Cadillac to a more mature looking design. He had openly stated that he wanted to design cars that looked like they were custom tailored on Seville Row. And so what he did was he took those gigantic fins of the '60s and made them into long, clean, razor-sharp blades. The grille was wide and made a statement all on its own. The huge wraparound windshield was a bit more dignified, a bit more reserved. And it was an exercise, the whole thing was an exercise in restrained power. They were imposing, yet they were beautifully understated. And Stamp has captured all of that in an amazing miniaturization of the 1/1 car. Now, they're available in 5 different combinations in 3 different colors. I've got them all here. You get a chance to look at them all, but let me tell you what the combinations are. They're Brewster Green Metallic in a top-down version and a top-up version. There is Matador Red Metallic in a top-down and a top-up version. There is Bahama Sand, and that's an open version. They're $139.99, and we're going to take a close look at them, then I'll tell you where you can get them. I think these models are gorgeous. I'm going to give you a minute to take a look at them on the turntable, each in their colors, and then we'll look closer at some of the details. Let's take a closer look at some of the details. You know, I love interiors, and this one is an absolute knockout. The wood grain on the wood trim is perfect. The dash is picked out, the steering wheel, the seats, just a beautiful interior. Front end of the car is perfectly replicated. Great lensing, great grille, great badging, great paint. It's all there. The back end is well detailed, but this is where Stamp gets it right. I've seen several models that have not been able to get those fins correct, and these look 100% accurate. A lot of detail, a lot of beauty, tremendous accuracy. Here's where we see the overall fidelity of the model. The Stamp has managed to capture the essence of the Cadillac. As I said before, it's a miniature. It's not just a model, it's a miniature. Stamp's done a beautiful job. Okay, that's Stamp's 1963 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz. You can get them at your favorite dealer. 2 of my favorite dealers, the Toy Car Geek and Legacy Diecast. I'll put the website addresses up there so you can go there if you want to take a look at them. You know, it's typical Stamp. You got to move quickly on them if you want your favorite combination. So thanks for taking a look, but do me a favor before you go, would you? I think Stamp's doing a great job in giving us all of these different combinations when they introduce their models. Give me a comment down below and tell me what you think of that. Tell me what your favorite color is. If you were going to buy one of these, what color would you buy? Even if you're not going to buy it, let me know what your favorite is. So thanks for tuning in. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, and we'd love to have you as a subscriber. I'll be coming back real soon with some more content.